In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can download and install Sodium for Minecraft 1.21.6. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Sodium improves Minecraft performance and gives you access to advanced graphics settings. Here's how you could set it up. Begin by closing out of Minecraft and the Minecraft launcher and heading to a browser of your choice. I'm going to use Chrome, but anything works. In the search bar, go ahead and type in Sodium Minecraft 1.21.6 and go ahead and hit enter. You're going to want to scroll down a little bit until you find the one from CurseForge and go ahead and open that up. It should take you directly to the Files tab, but if it doesn't, go ahead and click on Files. And then from here, you're going to want to use the filter section over here to find game version 1.21.6 and open that up. You should see an option for 1.21.6, and you're going to want to look for the one that's specifically with Fabric. Go ahead and find the three dots next to that one, click on it, and hit download. It's going to take a few seconds to download on this page. There's going to be a bunch of ads. Don't click on any of that stuff, but it should automatically download for you up here. Up next, open up another tab and go to Fabric Loader, which is actually fabricmc.net. Go ahead and click download on this page just like so, and then choose the Windows installer, and it should automatically download for you here. Now open up another tab just like so and type in Fabric API and click on the one for CurseForge just like that. Hit the Files tab and once again look for the version for Minecraft 1.21.6 with the mod loader Fabric. Go ahead and click on those three dots, hit download file again. It's going to take a few seconds and then it'll download for you. If it does say suspicious download blocked, go ahead and click on that and then hit download suspicious file. And as you can see, it'll download for you. Now from here, open up your File Explorer and go to the Downloads tab, and you should see a bunch of new things in here. The first thing you're going to want to look for is actually that Fabric installer. Go ahead and click on it just like so. It's going to open up a page that looks something like this. If it doesn't open up with something like this, you do need to download Java, so make sure you do that. You just need to search up java.com. But then it should pop up with something on this. Make sure Minecraft version 1.21.6 is selected and then hit install. Once complete, go ahead and hit OK. And then go ahead and open up that Minecraft launcher. I promise we are almost done. Now make sure that you have Fabric Loader 1.21.6 open right here. If it's not there, click on this little arrow and find it on here. But then make sure it's open and go to the Installations tab just like so. Scroll till you find that 1.21.6 Fabric Loader, click on the little folder next to it, and then look for the mods folder in here. If there's no mods folder, go ahead and create one, and then open it up. Now from here, open up your other File Explorer, and you're going to want to drag in that Fabric API, and you're also going to want to go ahead and drag in Sodium as well. It should look something like this if you've done it correct. You can also add other compatible mods in here too. Just make sure that they also match 1.21.6 and Fabric. Now from here, go ahead and back out. You can close this, return to that Minecraft launcher, ensure that it's on Fabric Loader 1.21.6 and hit play. It's going to pop up with this thing. Go ahead and click on that little checkbox, hit play again, and it's going to load you into Minecraft. When Minecraft loads for you, you're going to want to go ahead and join a world. I'm going to choose, I'll just create a new one real quick. And once you go ahead and get in whatever world you're in, go ahead and hit escape and then find options and video settings. And if you see a brand new settings interface, that means Sodium is going to be working for you. But that's it. You've now successfully installed Sodium in Minecraft 1.21.6. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video guide helped you out. Have a great day.